Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elesia from Elesia Kustum Designz. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I assemble my custom Skittles. These are my supplies I use. Again, I print on this paper, the Hammermill premium laser glass. I use the HP laser printer. This is my cutter that I use to cut out my Skittles from my printing paper. So with the Skittles, it can only hold one per sheet of 8.5 by 11. With this, when I do send my PDF forms for my customers, I usually set up their PDF like this. So when you print, it would look like this, and you would have to cut it out. Now, I do have this cutter. You don't have to buy a cutter. This is easier for me if I'm doing a whole bunch of orders. You can also use your scissors. I also will be using my crimper to crimp my edges. This is the Skittles I'm going to be using today. Bought this in a pack at Walmart. This is my tape runner that I use. It's permanent. And this is my pinking shears that I'll use to make decorative edges after I've crimped the edge of my Skittles. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is show you how I cut out my template. I line up my edge and then I make a straight line across like that. Do the same for the bottom. There you go. I do the sides. And I only do this one at a time because I don't want to have a slip paper, because these paper are very glossy, and have it cut into part of my template. And voila, there you go. That is the template. Put that aside. And just like my chip bag, if you've watched my video about assembling my chip bag, I like to shape my paper to prep it to put the product in. So just like my chip bag, I bring in the two ends to the center like so, and just to make an indentation at the form of the edges without creasing the edges. Okay, just like so. See? So it gives me a landmark for when I place the Skittles. And just like the chip bag, my tape runner, center, top, center, bottom, and left to right. So today we're going to be putting this one over this one because we have more space on this one, okay? So the right is gonna go over the left, just like so. So top adhesive in the middle, just like so. Bottom adhesive in the middle, just like so. And right adhesive from top to bottom, just like so. Then I'm gonna get my Skittles. I'm gonna be putting it here just in the middle, like so, just like so. Then I'm gonna align my top left flap to my center bottom and press to glue together, just like that. Then I'm gonna carry over my right side to overlap my left side, just like so. I'm gonna align again my right side down to the center, like that. Perfect. And then just in the middle, start making my way up, closing in, just like so. In the center, at the top, we align like that. And then I work my way out to the left, just like so. And we do the same for the right side, just like so. And already, that is your Skittles. Now, if you don't have a crimper at this time, you could just be done. But since I do have a printer, I'm gonna go the extra mile and show you how I actually do mines when I'm shipping to my customers. So I go in with my crimper, crimp, just like so. Do the other side, crimp, just like so. Don't go too far in with your crimp on these ones, okay, guys? Then when I'm done with that, this is the best part. This is my favorite part. I go in with my pinking shear, and I, at the end, make a decorative border, okay? Like that. Like that. See, I barely cut off a little bit because I don't want to cut all the part off that I have the tape on the edge, okay? So it's just a little bit, just like that. And there you have it. Perfect Skittles wrapper. Ready to go, just like that. All done. Well, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys really did like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think, if it was simple enough for you to understand, or you need more instruction on how to get it done. I'll be linking all the supplies I use in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.